Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Velo basically has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Velo's EMA10 really shows a kind of descending pattern in a truly significant manner. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. 21 September 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense. Got clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What in a real sense is all things considered, momentary cost expectation for Velo, especially is Velo an excellent speculation, which for the most part is very critical. Velo support and opposition levels and so on, or so they essentially thought. Be that as it may, prior to jumping especially profound into the Velo specialized investigation, by and large, let us for the most part discuss the very current economic situations, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there essentially was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,054,588,025,469, or so they for the most part thought. The especially all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $30,136,343,183, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 49.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%. So yet prior to jumping in every way that really matters, profound into the Velo specialized examination in a real sense, let us basically discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unpretentious manner, which all things considered, brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,641.04 level, after a decay of 1.61%. Which fundamentally is very critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a value diminishing of 2.24%, coming to $1,590.35 during the past 24 hours, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.18 following a value change of 2.1% within a similar time span. Further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.18 following a value change of 2.1% within a similar time span, which explicitly is genuinely huge. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere around 1.51 and presently exchanging at 51 cents. So XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, especially is somewhere near 1.51 and as of now exchanging at 51 cents in a sort of huge manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which for the most part is genuinely critical. These occasions by and large show that the market in every practical sense is going in an all things considered, descending bearing for pretty present moment, exhibiting that the very all-out exchanging volume really remains at $30,136,343,183 in a genuinely huge manner. As of now, a kind of broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Truly further appearance how Velo essentially has a medium-term opposition at $0.005, which in a real sense is very huge. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction, sort of are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.18 following a value change of 2.1% within a similar time span in every practical sense. Further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.18 following a value change of 2.1% within a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. Support basically is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become in every practical sense all the more truly dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So Velo support and opposition levels and so on, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition really is a level at which dealers certainly become move essentially dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how various elective digital currencies as Ethereum truly has seen a value lessening of 2.24%, coming to $1,590.35 during the past 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file. Velo, for the most part is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743. Pretty further appearance. How various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value reduction of 2.24%, coming to $1,590.35 during the past 24 hours in an in every practical sense enormous way. However, Velo most certainly has a value decline of 5.82%. In the absolute last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week, with a really complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars. Showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.18 following a value change of 2.1% within a similar time period, kind of additional appearance. How while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.18 following a value change of 2.1% within a similar time span, or so they explicitly thought. Velo Value Investigation Velo Cost Examination for 21 September 2023. Insight a truly day-to-day time period in a real sense, made sense of underneath, or so they certainly thought. We utilize kind of relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving sort of normal, EMA, to sort of examine the future development of the Velo, which truly shows that we utilize genuinely relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including commonly straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving essentially normal, EMA to all things considered, break down the future development of the Velo in an extremely enormous manner. The in every practical sense, relative strength record, RSI demonstrates that the Velo coin in a real sense is in oversold stage, as RSI sort of is at 30. Which generally shows that Bitcoin shares 49.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33%. So however prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the Velo specialized examination in every practical sense, let us basically discuss the sort of current economic situation.